Hello everyone, this is Pooja Rawat, your social science teacher. Student, today we will revise our history 4th chapter in the earliest city. Student, we have completed this chapter in the earliest 4 videos. So today we will revise this chapter only. So student, watch the video till the end to know the important map of this chapter, and we will also revise this chapter through the flow charts. So draw these flow charts in your notebooks, okay, and by these flow charts you will be able to understand the important points of the chapter. So first of all, watch this flow chart. This is the Indus Valley civilization life of people. So we will understand this by three main points, that is their economic life, their religious life, and their social life. Student, as you can see that their economic life means the main occupation of the people of the Harappan society was agricultural. So animal rearing and trade and craft production, these were their main uh, economic activities. So major achievement uses of weight and measures. Weight and measures means for the trade related work and for the business related work they were using measuring system, मतलब वो तोल कर किसी चीज को उसका यूज करते थे. मीन्स वेटिंग सिस्टम 1 kg 2 kg, they can use this. Means in the Harappan society people were able to use the weight and measure system, okay. And what were their religious life? So in religious life, student, worshipped Lord. They worship Lord Shiva, Mother's Goddess, and animals and trees. Means they believe in Hinduism. So main means their main religion was Hinduism. So their religious belief incorporated in Hinduism, and they worship Lord Shiva, Mother Goddess, and animals and trees also. Okay. How was their social life? So student, their social life means family was the basic unit. So in present days also you can see that family is the basic unit of every society, and so that's why family is the basic unit, and size of the families might have been varied. तो means वो अलग अलग था, कहीं पे छोटी फैमिली कहीं पे बड़ी फैमिली. So next, their social stratification means that ruling class, middle class, and lower class. So society were divided into three or four parts. That some was ruling class means kings, other and middle class people, and some lower class people were also living in the society. So and people take different kind of diets. They wore cotton dresses and food of fond of wearing jewelry. Means people were wearing, means their main clothes were, their diets were different, so mainly they were wearing okay, cotton clothes were main for them, and they were also using some jewelries. Okay, I will show you the picture of the jewelries. Here student, you can see some pictures that were found in the Harappan sites. So found these types, these here you can see. So archaeologists found these types of jewelry like this. So and some other terracotta toys, means children were used to play with these terracotta toys. So these toys were famous at that time. And by this type of stamp, maybe they were using this type of stamp for sealing their items to send them in some important place, and so that for the safety reason they were sealing it. So archaeologists also find some seal, some terracotta toys, okay, some jewelries for from these types of product, and we can understand that they were using a very unique lifestyle. Means they were using jewelries also, and their clothes, what type of clothes they were wearing, we can understand these pictures also. Now student, we will discuss the map. Means where exactly these sites were found. So some sites were found in Gujarat. Student, you have to fill this map in your notebook also. You have to paste the map of India and show these important point on that map. Okay, so Dholavira and Surkotada and Lothal, these are some places that found in Gujarat. Okay, Vira, Kotra, and Lothal. Okay, Mohenjo-daro is found in present day Pakistan. That is in present day. That is in Pakistan. So Mohenjo-daro is found in this area. And Harappan, Rakhi Gadi, Kalibanga, you can see these places are found in the Rajasthan, Punjab area. Okay, so these are the some important places of the earliest cities where earliest cities were found. So you have to remember these points on your map, and you have to fill this map in your notebook also. So student, this is the picture of a toy plug. मीन्स मेनली जो प्लग होते हैं दे वर मेड बाय द वुडन. सो वुड से बनी हुई चीज़ें ज़्यादा सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाती, दे आर बायोडिग्रेडेबल, सो दे कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. बट दिस इज़ अ टॉय plug, means these things were made to for the children to play. That means we can understand that they were using agricultural, they were using agricultural instrument also. So means they were depend on agriculture also, means the agriculture was a very important part of their lifestyle. Now student, if we will discuss that how their city were divided, so you can understand this by this flow chart. Cities were divided into two parts. Here you can see citadel and lower part of the city. Citadel is the upper part of the city, means some houses were in upper part and some houses were made in lower part. So citadel is the upper part and lower part of the city were also. So in lower part of the city, who were living there? So mean the common people were living in the lower part of the city, and citadel, there are public buildings, so means some ruling people and some important people were living in the citadel also. Okay, so now we will discuss the architecture type of the Harappan society. So student, architectural work of the Harappan society was also very well developed, means their houses were very well developed. And what was the important part of the society, means many of these cities were divided into two or more parts. Usually the part to the west was similar but higher, and archaeologists described this as the citadel, and generally the part of the west was larger but lower, and this is called the lower town. Okay, so very often wall of baked brick were built around each part, and the brick were so well baked, means they were using very well baked brick in their houses. Okay, so their houses were made by well baked bricks, and the bricks were laid into an interlocking pattern and made the walls strong. And in some cities special buildings were constructed. Okay, so for example in Mohenjo-daro a very well special tank were found, and their houses they were using wells also. In some houses wells were also found. You can see for the water system they were using wells, and their for the water purpose they were using well water, and houses were made in 90-degree angle, you can see in this picture also. And water supply means they have also a waste water system, and by this sewer system and by this system they can through their wastewater of their house also. So means you can understand that the houses of the Harappan city were very well developed. So craft of the city is also a very important topic, student. New craft in the city. So let us look at the some of the objects that were made and found in Harappan cities. Most of things that have been found by archaeologists are made of stone, shell and metal. So mainly most of the things that archaeologists found there were made of stone, shell and metals, including copper, bronze, gold and silver. Copper and bronze were used in make tools, weapons, ornament and vessels. Okay, gold and silver were used to make ornament and vessels. Okay, so perhaps the most striking find are those of beads, weights and blades. So Harappans also made seals. Seals का यूज़ भी जो है वो उनके टाइम पे होता था. दैट इज़ अ मेन इम्पोर्टेंट डिस्कवरी. तो seal were made out of stone, and these are generally rectangular. सी इलस्ट्रेशन पेज नंबर 27 में आप लोग देख सकते हो. तो सील्स वर और वेटिंग सिस्टम के लिए these types of stones they were using for the weighting and for the measuring system. Okay, so seal were also found, and in the Harappan also made pots and beautiful black design such as the one shown the page number 6, means they were using lots of beautiful things that I have shown you earlier also. People were using cotton clothes. You can see in this statue also cotton was probably grown at Mehergarh. कहाँ पे cotton grow होता है? It's grown in Mehergarh from 7,000 years ago. An actual piece of clothes were found attached to the lid of a silver vase, and some copper object at Mohenjo-daro. Archaeologists had found spindle wheels. Okay. So faience, student, faience is also one important point. Unlike stone and shell that are found naturally, faience is a material that is artificial produced. ओके, तो फियांस जो है वहाँ पे भी मिला है. फियांस जो है वो आर्टिफिशियली प्रोड्यूस्ड होता है, एंड सो सॉरी फाइंस जो होता है, एंड दैट इज़ द A gum was used to shape sand and or powdered quarters into an object, and the object were then glazed, resulting in a shiny glassy surface. So the color of the glaze were usually blue or green, sea green. So that's why fans was used to make beads, bangles, earrings, and tiny vessels. So this was also they were using fans also. So they were using the toys that were made of terracotta and fans, and these were used in spin thread. Many of the things that were produced were probably the work of specialists. Means some specialists were also working to make these things also. So student, in search of raw material, that is also an important topic. Raw material are substance that are earlier found naturally, such as wood और ores और metal. You know that what are raw material? Raw material हमें naturally मिल जाते हैं, जैसे कि wood ores of metals etc. So farmers were producing raw material, and these are then proceed to produce finished goods. For example, cotton produced by farmers in a raw material, and that may be processed to make clothes, while some of the raw material that the Harappans used were available locally. And many items such as copper, tin, gold, silver and precious stone had to be brought from distant places. The Harappans probably got copper from present-day Rajasthan and even from ओमान इन वेस्ट एशिया. तो मीन्स वो लोग कहाँ रहे थे? कॉपर they were getting from Rajasthan and Oman in West Asia. Tin which were mixed with copper to produce bronze and may have been brought from present day Afghanistan. So tin they were using from the Afghanistan, and gold could have come from all the way from the Karnataka. तो कर्नाटका जो है वो गोल्ड जो है कर्नाटका से लाते थे वो. So how they used to carry the things, these types of also some instruments, some toys were also found there. So by these toys archaeologists thinks that how were good carried from one place to another. Look at the illustration. One show a toy. This is a toy, student. Here you can see the picture of toys. And can you suggest that the mode of transport used by the Harappan? Where did you come across illustration of the wheeled vehicle in the earlier lesson? Okay, so this जो आपको your picture दिख रही है on your screen, you can see that maybe this is a toy. So the toy is made to for the children to play, and this is also a miniature of their transportation. Maybe they were using this type of car for the transportation. Okay, now we will discuss about the food for people in the cities. While many people lived in the cities, other living in the countryside grew crops and reared animals. These farmers and herders supply food to craftspersons, scribes and rurals in the cities. We know from remains and plants that the Harappan grew. तो वहाँ पे कुछ remains मिले हैं जिससे archaeologists जो वो ये पता लगा सकते हैं that कि वो लोग किस तरह के farming use करते थे. Means they were using some special seed to grow like wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame and linseed and mustard. So ये उनके agricultural के main source थे. So in agricultural work they were growing wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame and linseed and mustard. So a new tool, the plug जो है एक plug भी वहाँ पे मिला है. Plug, here you can see the picture also. Plug was used to dig the earth, हल जिसको हम बोलते हैं, to earth for turning the soil and planting seeds, while real plug which was probably made of wood have not survived. So toy may have been found. As this region doesn't received heavy rainfall, so क्योंकि उस region पे ज़्यादा rainfall नहीं होता था, तो some from the irrigation may have been used. So the means that water was stored and supplied to the field when the plants were growing. The Harappan reared cattle, sheep, goats and buffalo. Water and pastures were available around settlement. However, in the dry summer month, large herds of animals were probably taken to gather distance in search of grass and water, and they also collected fruits like bear, caught fish and hunted wild animal like the antelope. तो मे बी वो लोग food collecting के लिए they were using the fruit collecting, and they were also hunting the animals like antelope. Now Harappan towns in Gujarat, if we will discuss about it again. The city of Dholavira was located in Khadir Bayat, also called a Bet, in the Run of Kutch. That is Run of Kutch, that is in Gujarat. Students, you know that Run of Kutch is in Gujarat, and where there was fresh water and fertile soil, unlike some of the other Harappan cities which were divided into two parts. Dholavira was divided into three parts, and each part was surrounded with massive stone walls with entrance through gateway. Uh, there was also a large open area in the settlement where public ceremonies could be held, and other find includes large letter of the Harappan script that was carved out of white stone and perhaps inlaid in wood. So this is unique find, as generally Harappan writings has been found on small objects such as seals. तो सील्स में उनकी राइटिंग्स मिली हैं. And the city of Lothal stood beside the tributary of the Sabarmati. Lothal city is beside the Sabarmati in Gujarat and close to the Gulf of Khambat. It was situated near areas where raw materials such as semi-precious stone were easily available. So this was an important center of making object out of stone, shell and metal, and there was also a storehouse in the city. So many seals and sealings, the impression of the seal on clays were found in these storehouses. Now we will discuss some important questions. So student, first question is, the Indus Valley civilization is also known as. So the answer of this question, the Indus Valley civilization means Sindhu Ghati Sabhyata, that is also known as the Harappan civilization. Okay. So the answer of this question is Harappan civilization, means Indus Valley civilization is known as the Harappan civilization. Next question, what is this? What is this you can see in this picture? What is the name of this? So this is the Great Bath. Okay, we have already read about it. This is the Great Bath, means in this type of tank maybe the people were filling water, and this is a watertight tank, and maybe some important people take a dip in this water in some important occasion. So this is known as the Great Bath. Okay, archaeologists name this place Great Bath. Okay, next question is meaning of Mohenjo-daro. मोहनजोदाड़ो का मीनिंग क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मोहनजोदाड़ो? सो द आंसर इज माउंड ऑफ द डेड. मोहनजोदाड़ो का मीनिंग होता है माउंड ऑफ द डेड. So next question is, Dash River which flow through the length of Pakistan and along a system of perennial mostly monsoon fed river that once coursed in the vicinity of the seasonal Ghaggar Hakra river in northwest India and eastern Pakistan. So किस रिवर के बारे में बात हो रही है? The name of the river is Indus River. Okay. So these were the some important question. Okay, we have discussed this question. So student, this was the revision video. So you have to watch this video again to understand the important point of this chapter. Okay, and you have to draw the map also in your notebook. So let's read some important dates. Some important dates. Means cotton cultivation at Mehargarh कब हुआ था? About 7,000 years ago. Means in Mehargarh people were cultivating cotton about 7,000 years ago. Beginning of cities. Cities कब से बननी शुरू हुई थी? About 4,007 years ago. The beginning of cities were started. And beginning of the end of the cities about 3,900 years ago. And the emergence of other city about 2,500 years ago. जो है वो नई स्टाइल की सिटीज़ जो है वो उनकी इमरजेंस स्टार्ट हो गई थी. मेहरगढ़, मोहनजोदारो, धोलावीरा, लोथल. So these are the some important cities that were developed at that time, and the bricks and the houses, the pattern of these houses are same. Okay, so the advanced stage of human culture development is called a civilization. You all know that. And traits of civilization are कौन कौन से होते हैं? Evaluation of city, surplus food, division of labor, system of writing and monumentals, public buildings, development of technology. So these are the basic points which we were reading in this chapter, the Harappan society. Okay, so you know that in that time man used to settle on the bank of the rivers, and rivers valley offered fertile land to produce surplus food for the population. Surplus food helped people to move to other fields and become specialists in wood, metal, construction, writing, etc. This finally helped the civilization to develop.
Metal replaced stone and metal was more durable, so copper was the first metal that was discovered. Okay, so this is the important point, that which metal was discovered first in this area. So copper was the first metal that was discovered, and the period when men used both stone and copper is called the Chalcolithic period. Okay, so that is the name of the period, that is Chalcolithic period, in which people